Yeah, Boomerang is a new bit of equipment that's been pushed out to us in the patrol bases and checkpoints with the aim of being able to assist us in identifying the insurgent firing points when they engage the patrol bases. It works with a series of microphones which, when a shot is fired, it picks up the location of the shot through triangulation and will then give us a bearing and a range to where the shot was fired from. Yeah, we have been able to do things similar to this previously, but the equipment's been quite a lot more technical and it's required specialists to set it up and get it working. The great thing about Boomerang is once it's set up, anyone can use it really, and the maintenance is very simple on it.
And where will the equipment be employed in theatre?
So here we're pushing it forward to the checkpoints and into the sangars really. It's ideal for a sangar where the guy on sentry, he's not quite sure where the shot's been fired from. He can get a readout from the screen and it'll give him a good steer to where to start looking. Yes, we've had it here for about 2 weeks and already we've used it on a number of occasions where checkpoints have been engaged, and it's helped us identify exactly where that firing point was. Usually it would take us maybe 10 seconds to identify a firing point using optics, but the Boomerang aims to speed that up considerably. Yes, this is the control panel which will sit in the sangar, and the soldier who's on sangar duty can use this to get the information that the Boomerang is picking up. So when the Boomerang picks up a shot being fired, it will first give an audio indication of where the round is, with a voice describing a direction and a distance, and then it will follow that up with a visual display with the lights using a clock ray method, and then it will also give a readout of the last sort of 10 or so incidents, so someone can flick through if there's been more than one shot fired recently. Yeah, it takes a few seconds for the system to do its calculations, but then once it's been fed into the box here, it's almost instant for the guy to be able to get that information and then apply it to what he's seeing in front of him.
What we've got here, we've got a Boomerang system. It's a new kit, bit of kit that's been in theatre. It's been in theatre about a month ago. It's got a few microphones on it. What it does is it triangulates the point of fire from where the enemy is firing from. It gives you a range and a bearing so you could put accurate fire on that target and neutralize that target. It's been quite useful in the past. Recently, about 2 days ago, we had firing from one of the checkpoints, and it gave us a rough direction of where that fire came from, and we were able to neutralize the enemy.
it.